What if AI could run your architecture design sessions? Days of prep, hours of whiteboarding, all replaced in seconds. 3 domains, 24 plus patterns, 0 prep required. You speak, it architects. Start a chat, define the current state, design the target architecture, and export a full summary. 4 steps, 1 conversation. Mermaid diagrams, generated live. It pushes back, like a senior architect. Voice, avatar, diagrams, export, everything built in. Built on GitHub Copilot SDK and Azure AI. Enterprise grade, open source. Your AI solution architect is one AZD up away. Free, open source, and ready to deploy. Star us on GitHub.